My name is Jamie Bright. I'm from Australia. My Kurdish name is Gabar Ahmed. I came to Kurdistan 5 months ago. The reason I came to Kurdistan is because of the people, their struggle, their fight. I've come to help them any way I can. Minefields, booby traps, demolitions.
For Ashley Johnston and Reese Harding's Revenge on ISIS, Australian man who identifies himself as Jabbar with other YPG commanders captured many Islamic State terrorist organization members in North Syria, on the date that Ashley Johnston martyred. Aussie man speaks in Kurdish and talking to YPG TV network and says in Kurdish, I came from Australia to help YPG, to help Rojava. I am going to say hello to my friends and victory is near.
Nabamin Gabar. أصحاب أستراليا جبوا يبقى أريكاري يبقى أريكاري روجافا كردستان يبوا أزاد أزبيجم مرحبا هواوز من وصار كابتن.
Video shows that many of those captured ISIS members are Turkish and they speak in Turkish. One of those ISIS members, around 50 years old, says in Turkish, for God's sake please give me the chance of life. Reported by Butin Kurdistani for Arhich News Agency. February 24, 2016. Here is the full video.
ضرب العوج سازي تطيب تركيا نظام عربي بيشتغل طب انا جيت شو معك
مرحبا نام من جبار از هاتن استرالیا جبو یپاگه ارکری یپاگه ارکری روجاوا کردستان جبو آزاد از بیشم مرحبا هواوز من وساقتن